viewers, welcome back. Starting with a small introduction, I'm not a pro trader, but I am passionate about understanding how markets really work. In this video, I will break down some key concepts of market analysis in simple terms so we can learn together. Before we start this video, just go to the disclaimer and please note that the video which I am creating right now is only and only for educational and information purpose. Please do not use this video for real-time trades and just observe the market from an learning perspective. I hope you all guys have gone through the disclaimer which is in front of you. Starting with the market checklist, we will be analyzing Nifty 50 for 12th November 2025. We will be using Nifty 50 futures contract for analyzing tomorrow. The analysis days we will take last two sessions. Time frame will be 5 minutes. We'll come to a conclusion in the end with clarity on questions like what is market going to do tomorrow, which are the key levels, can market give a big or short move. We'll be using sharp moves. We'll be marking sharp moves. We'll be marking sharp moves with volume, session candle strength, 5 minute candle strength, moving averages 10, 50, 200 EMA or MA, market profile, CPR, and anticipated type of day. Post that, we will ensure that we write some summary which helps us out for tomorrow's session. Okay, so let us go to the chart. Let us go to the chart. That is Nifty 50 futures. What we can see in the last 2 days were very good. If you see today's day, it was a very good session wherein market tried to push down, came down, took some confirmation here, and then moved. This was a very great day. If you actually had traded this volume, this uh, path and this path as well. Anyways, coming back to the 10th November chart, let us analyze what exactly happened on 10th November. We can clearly see that there was a rejection from this point. Okay, this point there was a rejection from this point, and market actually retested this level. You can see, and then moved up. Anyways, that is something we will check it out later on. But as per the checklist, let us mark the crucial levels. First one is sharp moves. Do we have any kind of sharp moves here? A big move, I can say. There is a big move at this level as well. Test, retest, test, retest, test, retest, and this one. So we can take this level, okay? We'll take this level as a sharp move level, and we don't have any moves which gives us a downside move, but still there is a small downside here. We'll consider that as well a downside move. Okay. Do we have anything with the volumes? We don't have anything with the volumes. So for this day, the 10th November, we don't have any moves with the volume. So let us go to 11th November. Uh, as we said that there was a volume here. Exactly, market turned on from this point, went down. Okay, and then market came to this place, moved up till here, retested and went up. So it is clear indication that here we had good amount of buyers which happened to be again here, move the market till here clearly like this and then moved up. Anyways, so same goes here as well. The volume was down, went down. Now, which is the level that gives us some energetic moves? We can say this is the energetic move level. Okay, and it is a huge level, huge level, huge level. Okay, now do we have any specific volumes which we can use it uh, for reversal? If you see everything that is coming here, everything which is coming here, exhaustion candle, then down, then exhaustion, and then down, then up, up, up. Okay. So I think there is good amount of absorption happening in this area. In this area, in the sense, we can take this point from this point till this point. There is a good amount of absorption. Okay. But do we have anything with the volumes? Yes. Oh, sorry. What happened? I just moved it a little bit. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. Exactly. Retest and went. What about the volumes? I don't see any specific volume, but this area was good. This area was actually good. That gave us an upside volume. Actually, there was not a big drop, but sustained level moved up and moved up. So we don't have any specific areas with high volumes. If you ask me high volumes, then I would say that the candles which are getting created here are kind of exhaustion candles. Okay, the candles which are getting created here are called exhaustion candles, but they are not that major candle, like Moruguzi or something like that. Then we have good amount of exhaustion here as well. Okay. Yes. So anyways, if we see the naked charts, okay, if you see the naked charts, strength was good with the bears. Strength is good with the bulls as well. We don't know, like, if tomorrow market can move up. Okay. This was sideways, big dip, payday. We discussed that, whenever there is a sideways, definitely there will be a big dip, payday. That's what it happened, and the market moved in one direction. Okay. Uh, yep. So next thing is to check the session candle strength. What do you mean by session candle strength? Okay. Yep. So if you see in this phase, in this session, we didn't have much power for the candles. Only bulls were active here. Okay. Then bears tried to take over but couldn't take over. Next day, everything went down, down south. Then again, bulls started taking over, taking over, taking over. Okay. If you ask me, the amount of bulls have made the candles. Okay. Exactly the same amount of bears have created in one candle. So bulls and bears are in fight. Okay. Bulls and bears are have locked horns. Have locked horns, but still bears look powerful. How do I come to this conclusion? Is that, like, just one candle, if you take all the candles which have created by bulls, just one candle in the first starting session, starting 5 minutes, it has taken over everything. Okay, they collated their profit, like they had a good amount of profit, and then with the bulls, right? Anyways, sharp moves. With the help of sharp moves, what we can see here is, bulls were here. Bulls migrated down, created some good kind of confirmation, moved up, killed the sellers at this point, and then again moved up. But still, as this is a powerful candlestick, powerful level, we will keep it as it is. Okay, we will keep it as it is. I feel like if the market comes back to this point, there is a good chance that market will move down. Okay, so let us keep it as it is. Um, hmm, the red super elephant car, the red super super elephant bar still indicates that the bears can take over. Okay, can take over, can take over. Bear can take over. Bears can take over. Sharp moves with volume. I don't see any specific volumes here. Okay. Okay. 5 minute candle strength. Rejection. The 5 minute candle strength was rejection, but it was The rejection was again taken over by bears and pushed the market down. This is just something I don't know what happened here, but this was ruled out of the bears command. Anyways, 5 minute candles say that uh, 10th was a rejection, but 11th was powerful bearish candle. Okay. I still feel on the basis of this open, I still feel that market can move. Market is still not bullish. But anyways, let us check the moving average candles and everything. What does it has to say? Let us check the moving average candles. Moving average simply says that everything is above 200 EMA and the market seems to be bullish. Okay. Price above 200 EMA and seems to be ULF ISH. Let us see if it retested for 200 EMA. Okay. Point to be noted is like, there is no retest on 200 EMA. It is just going on, going on, going on, going on. Okay. And the candle which is created here is almost good, but I'm 50-50 on this. So there is a chance that the price can come down to 200 EMA for a retest or a break again downwards. So moving average says a retracement appears ideally, or continuation can also happen. Continuation can also happen. What does the market profile say? Let us check market profiles. Sorry. The market profile says if you see the market profile is still not positive. Okay, it's still not positive because if market wanted to be positive, then the entire market profile would have been created above the lower low, the last lower low, okay, or this lower low. But it is still in uh, a range that doesn't tell me that market is bullish. Okay, market is bullish. So as per market profile, this is again overlapping lower low, overlapping lower low, which indicates moderate, moderate BARSHNES, moderate bearishness. Market is still bearish as per market. But if we take CPR now, let us take CPR. CPR was narrow, which was a clear indication that market will be moving up. But tomorrow's CPR, as the session was very wide, tomorrow's CPR width will be wide, which says that there can't be a day, big day trading. Obviously, this doesn't, you know, has to be true. It might be true, which states that there can't be a big day paid, that there can't be a uh, can't can't okay be a big day paid. Mostly we can indulge into small moves. Okay, almost 40 to 50 points move. Once move, yes. Moderate, yeah, moderate bearishness. Okay, moderate bearishness. Anticipated by type of day. If you ask me, the it's wide. I will look only for a retracement. I will actually look for a retracement to happen. The market is again, it's here. If it passes till R3, resistance and R4 something, then there can be a retracement downside again. Okay, I can't see anything right now because things are not clear for tomorrow. Because basically there will be no big moves. There will be no big moves. That's what I'm sure of. But nothing can be said. Okay, so suppose market comes down, okay, and it reaches this level, or starts continuing from here, there is a possibility that market can completely fall back to the same zone. Like it went till 25,813, it can come back to 25,595. Nobody knows that. Okay, but if, the CPR is wide and things are not moving as per our expectation of directly coming down, there might be a range day, which is basically kind of a sideways to range day. Sideways to range day. Okay, okay, range day. And there is nothing to talk about for tomorrow's session because everything has been captured here. Like sellers took out their profit here, buyers took out their profit here. So tomorrow, I don't think that people should anticipate any kind of you know having a big move or something like that. But still, I am kind of bearish on the tomorrow session. But it has to reach some level. Like this level is good for selling because this is R3, and then again it has a confluence of R2 from 7th November, and then there is a CPR at this level. So I can see if the market wants to really fall, it can fall from this level. Okay, just this this level, yeah. That's 25,850 to 900. Okay, market, sorry, not market, I should not say market. Price can reverse from 25,850 to 25,900. Reverse. Reverse from 25,850 to 25,900. And if it reverses back to, there is a chance that market can't come till 723, can come till 723, until 723, 25, 723, 25, 70. And if continuation happens, it can go till 25, 590. And if continuation happens, can go till 25, 25, 600, till 25, 600, 600. So I don't see a big move tomorrow, but in case things things are going in a different direction due to an economic news or socio-economic news or any kind of war news or something like that, then we have a good chance to take the entire trade from this point to this point. So let's see what happens tomorrow. But from my perspective, I don't see any big move wherein we can make some good profits. Again, don't take any kind of real-time trades based on my analysis. This is just and just for education and informational purpose. Yes. This kind of move actually is called something and I've forgotten about it. I will go through my notes and understand what exactly is this move called. It's called something, but I fear like I have forgotten. Anyways, what do we see at this level? If you see at exactly at this level, market is sliding very slowly, very slowly. That means can be a sideways day. Or else, if you see at this point, after reaching here, market has zoomed up till 25,950. Okay, that too, it's like going down, coming up, going down, coming up. But I would suggest keep an eye on the session, observe the candlestick patterns, observe the candlestick strength and movements, and and just keep on the screen, keep on sharing the screen until the session is over. But do not take any trades on this analysis on real time basis. This is a clear cut picture which we have drawn out. And let's see tomorrow. It's, it's already 2 a.m. in India, and I think I should go to sleep. So, good night, traders. Have a great day tomorrow. And just to make sure that this was a great day for profiting in both the sides, downside and upside, would have made you a fortune today if traded in real time, which we are not doing right now. Okay. Thank you all. Good night. Have a great day.